Hello, I'm Chuck Spino with Red Scarf Travel and Tours, and I invite you to see just some of the places we can offer for a villa stay in Tuscany. Tuscany mainland is about 200 miles from its furthest point north and south, and about 125 miles east to west at its furthest point. So if you were located in the furthest south, you are about 2.5 hours from Florence, and about the same from the northernmost point. We have villas available for as little as 2 people, and we have the possibility for up to 50 to 100 people by acquiring the whole location that would have multiple villas on site. The best way to think is to tell us how many people, and we will offer choices for you to consider and what you would like to do during your stay. It is very important to actually visit and see the locations and the actual villas. All the villas we represent, we have actually seen inside and been to the locations. Trust me from experience, sometimes the pretty pictures don't provide what could be in store for you. Some places have many stairs that are not easy to navigate. Other places the views are not what they seem. Other places are out in the middle of nowhere that takes quite a long time to get to another place. We don't like any surprises once you arrive, and we strive to make this the dream experience as it should be in Tuscany. We can provide all the pre-planning if you wish for flights, transportation while in Italy, and places you may want to see, be it museums, wineries, truffle hunting, or shopping, just to name a few things that you have the opportunity to do. Also, we can arrange private chefs, bicycle excursions. Boating is available to us from our high-quality licensed and insured providers we work with. What better way than to have a wedding either on the villa grounds or return there for the reception, which is all available with our wedding services in country. So look to contact us to let us know what you are looking for in your Tuscan villa, and you can be sure we will provide you with unforgettable memories and no unpleasant surprises.